Hello everyone, welcome to Thuong Nguyen Woodworking machine, and today we have a multi-ripsaw machine. So this is a straight line ripsaw machine, but with the difference is this machine we can install multiple saw blade instead of just once. And we can use this machine to ripsaw this kind of block. We can cut those logs into this type of workpiece. Okay, let's have a look at the machine. Okay, so with this model, the maximum thickness that we can process is 145 millimeters, and this model is equipped with a motor of 30 HP. But if we are looking for a more heavy-duty model, then we can optional a motor of 50 HP, no problem. And so this is the control panel, and on this control panels we can do a few things. For example, this is to turn on, turn off the saw blade. This is to raise and put down the saw blade. This is to raise the feeding roller up and down. And this is to turn on the feeding roller so that our workpiece can go through the machine. With this, we can adjust the speed of the feeding roller, which means we can adjust the speed that we feed in our workpiece. And of course, we also have the emergency stop button. We also have these two guiding lasers. Well, as the name implies, the guiding laser will help us to achieve a perfectly straight line cutting. So when we load up our logs, it can be quite challenging to get it perfectly aligned with the saw blade. But with the guiding laser, they will draw two lines for us, so we can use it as a ruler, and achieving a perfectly straight line is pretty much easier. So these two guiding lasers are very helpful when we want to remove the two sides of the log. Alright, let's put this machine to work. And that is all for our multi-ripsaw machine. If you have any questions about these machines or any kind of woodworking machine, please contact us and we will give you more information for free. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.